It's a girl, Jacqueline. So I'm going to tell you how to create a natural makeup look. I like to use this look for small occasion or for filming. This is beginner friendly and it's also perfect for teenagers. Trust me, it's quick, natural, and simple. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Let's start with the base. I'm using Pixy Make It Glow Dewy Cushion in shade Light Beige. I prefer to use cushion instead of foundation because it's lighter and I love the dewy natural glow finish. I just tap it lightly and blend it out evenly on my skin. Make sure to blend it to your neck and ears so your skin tone looks even. And this is what the base looks like. I love the dewiness. For powder, I use Marcks Active Beauty Powder in shade Invisible. I dip my fluffy powder blush to take a little bit of the product, tap off the excess, and put it on my T-zone because it usually gets a little bit oily. Don't forget to blend it too. I also put a little bit on my cheeks too to prep it for blush later on. I don't like to use powder all over my face because I want to keep the dewiness from the cushion. Moving on to the eye proportion, I use O.TWO.O contour palette in number 2. I use this instead of eyeshadow because the matte brown color is perfect for me. I picked up the matte brown color with tapered blending brush. Don't forget to tap off the excess and then gently pack it onto my eyelids. With the same brush, blend out the harsh edges so it looks softer and more natural. Don't forget to blend upward for the outer corner of the eye so it will give it a lift effect. I also like to put a little bit more just on the top part of the crease to give more definition. Then, I picked up the product with the tip of the brush and then put it on my lower lash line. This will even give more definition to the eyes. Don't forget to blend upward too for the outer corner. For lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara. This is my favorite mascara because it makes my lashes look long and black but still natural. I put it on both my upper and lower lashes. For eyebrows, I'm just going to brush them with a spoolie since I already have thick eyebrows, thankfully. I actually have a clear eyebrow gel by Berry M, but my skin hates it. It makes me break out. So since then, I just brush them with a spoolie. I brush them upwards so it will give this nice lifted, bushy look. It's time for blush, and I'm using the O.TWO.O blush in shade Rose Rain or number 05. I'm taking the product with an angled brush and tap it on my cheeks. I focus it on the top part of the cheek near the temple so it will give the lift effect on my chubby round face. Then, of course, don't forget to blend it out. Oh, also, I like to put it on the bridge of my nose. Okay, it's time for my favorite part, highlighter. I'm using my all-time favorite Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighter in shade Precious Petals. This highlighter is very gorgeous. I'm using a blending brush and then put it on my cheekbone. Don't forget to blend, blend, and blend, because blending is the key for natural look. I also like to put it on the upper part of my nose bridge, on the tip of my nose, and Cupid's bow. Now we're going to secure everything with a setting spray. I'm using the Pixy Aqua Beauty Protecting Mist. This gives even more glow to the skin and makes everything more put together and more natural. I like to use a fan to quicken the process of me waiting the setting spray to be fully absorbed. And now, last but not least, the lips. For matte finish, I like this Peripera Ink Matte Blur in shade Hush Pink Beige. I put a little bit of the product on my lips and blend it out with my ring finger. Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in shade Fenty Glow is always my go-to for natural glossy finish. This product is more on the expensive side, but it's absolutely worth it. This gloss is just bomb. I mean, look at that. And this is the finished look. It takes less than 20 minutes if you're not in a hurry. By the way, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed my content, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye!